If you are blocked by someone you love, maybe a friend or your lover or someone close to you on WhatsApp or Facebook or some social media or communication platform, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm giving you the process how to get unblocked by someone specific using the law of attraction. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Ajay, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And this is one of the most requested videos. So many of you in our awesome tribe have been asking me like, AJ, I've been blocked by a best friend or a close friend or my boyfriend or girlfriend. We had a bad fight or we had miscommunication, and after that the person has blocked me on WhatsApp or Facebook or on platform and all. And I really want to communicate with this person, and how can I do it? How can I use the law of attraction in getting unblocked and communicate again with this person? Is it possible? Yes, my friend, it is possible. And if you have been waiting for this video, or if you have requested for this video, do let me know in the comment section right now. Now, before giving you the insight what to do, I want you to remember one thing, that there are some other videos I have shared a few months back about how to attract a text message or a phone call from someone specific, and many people have used those meditation and those techniques successfully, and even they have manifested calls and messages from people who have blocked them. So I'm telling you this because it works, and they did not bother about like whether the person has blocked them or not, and they just focus on the outcome and they manifested it. That is the key. So you need to understand, if you are being blocked by someone, why you got blocked? Definitely there was some fight or some miscommunication or something went wrong between you two people, whether the person is your best friend, close friend, boyfriend or girlfriend, or your lover, husband, wife, anyone, relative, work colleague, someone, whoever it is. Definitely there is a miscommunication or a fight or something went wrong. That is why the person has blocked you. Now, the person has blocked you means the person is carrying a lot of negativity for you, or negative energy about the situation, what went wrong. And what you are doing wrong is, you wants to communicate with this person, you wants to make the relationship better, but continuously you are doing two things wrong. One is you are very upset about this person has blocked you. So you are upset about it, so you are also adding more and more negativity to it. And then you keep talking to yourself, keep telling yourself or keep telling your close one, people around, that, oh, this person has blocked me, this person has blocked me, this person has blocked me, this person has blocked me. So in the both the case, what is happening? Your focus is on the word blocked. So the more you are focusing, the more you are staying blocked. Remember, wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows. That is the core of law of attraction. If you are focusing on being blocked, then you will stay blocked. If you are unhappy what is happening, then you will be attracting more of unhappiness. How can you be manifesting something positive? So if you are doing these two mistakes, first thing is stop doing it. Stop talking about you are being blocked by this person. Stop telling anyone, including yourself. Second is, stop being sad or unhappy, because being sad or unhappy, you are not going to manifest it. Now, many of you will tell me or write me like, AJ, this person is blocked, how can I be happy? This is where the process comes. Remember, you just don't want to be unblocked by this person. You want to communicate positively again with this person, right? Positively or lovingly or friendly, whatever is the equation in this relationship. You just don't want to get unblocked. You want to restart the communication with this person. That is the key, isn't it? That's the truth. So why you want to restart the communication? Because restarting the communication, talking to the person again will make you feel happy, right? That is the thing. You want to experience that happiness. So you have to focus on that end goal, that yes, you are getting message or call or communication from this person, and that is what making both of you feel happy, connecting again. That's where the focus should be, not that the current situation the person has blocked you. So this is where you are doing the mistake. And many people who are blocked but use our previous videos and they got the call or messages, even if they were blocked, because why? They focused on the positive outcome. So that is the key. And If you want to be unblocked, focus on being blocked. Focus on how you want to communicate with this person, how you want this person to call you or text you. It means if the person will be calling you or texting you, it means definitely they must be unblocking you, right? The unblock is a part of the process. It's not the ultimate goal. You don't want the person to just unblock you and then you keep checking their status. That's not your ultimate desire, isn't it? So if this is an eye-opener for you and this is something you are missing, then let me know right now in the comment section. So what you are going to do is, from right now, you focus on having a positive conversation with this person, whether the person is calling you or the person is texting you or you are talking to them, you are calling them, talking with them, and having a very joyful experience. That should be the outcome. And tonight you can use the sleep technique, or you can watch some of my earlier videos about how to manifest, the meditation for manifesting a call, the meditation for manifesting a text. You can go through those videos and the link are there in the description section, and you can go through those process and use them. Or you just simply do one thing right now or tonight before going to sleep. You just relax yourself for some time, feel positive, feel happy, and then think about, then visualize or just think about that this person is calling you and you are having a very positive conversation or happy conversation with the person, or they are texting you and both of you are talking to each other and having a fun time. So dwell on that visual, dwell on that dream for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes until you feel happy and joyful. And maybe you will do it again tomorrow. So if you really do it with a lot of positivity, then you definitely manifest, get unblocked and manifest the call or message within 24 hours or 48 hours. People have done it within 24 hours. You too can do it. But in case like you have a lot of negativity or fear, it may take a few more days. Don't get disheartened. Keep doing it on a regular basis. But the key should be focusing on having a positive conversation, joyful call, or a magical message from the person, and not on being blocked. So I believe you got the clarity, and I want all of you to give it a try and do it and share your manifestation in the comment section. Come back to the video and share. And if any of your friends or someone close to you need this video, do share with them, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any awesome videos like this. Thank you. This is Awesome Ajay. If you want to learn more tools and processes, you can join our online program, Make Your Life Awesome, or Heal Your Heart meditation journey, because these two programs have helped many people and now it's your time. Thank you.